before he became a global music legend. Bob Marley was a young boy growing up in poverty in rural Jamaica, a boy with little money, but a powerful dream. Through music, Bob Marley wanted to spread peace, hope, and unity to the world.
Bob Marley grew up in a small village where life was often difficult. As a child, he experienced poverty, struggle, and social division. But music became his escape. He believed songs could heal pain and bring people together. Bob spent years practicing music with passion and determination. At first, success did not come easily. There were financial struggles, criticism, and difficult times. But Bob never stopped creating. Slowly, his music and message began touching millions of hearts around the world. His songs became symbols of freedom, love, peace, and resilience. Even today, his voice continues inspiring people across generations.
Bob Marley's story reminds us that true greatness is not measured by money or fame, but by the impact we leave on people's hearts. Every struggle, every hardship, every painful moment can become fuel for something meaningful. So keep spreading positivity, keep believing in your purpose, and keep using your voice to inspire others. Because sometimes one song, one dream, and one message of hope can change the world forever. Love the life you live. Live the life you love.
One good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain.
Don't gain the world and lose your soul.
Some people feel the rain, others just get wet.
The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity.
Open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living?
Truth is, everybody is going to hurt you. You just gotta find the ones worth suffering for.
Better to die fighting for freedom than be a prisoner all the days of your life.
Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun.